Okay.
Hey, I'm Montana. This is my bird Nod. I rescued him. 6 years old.
You're 6 years old, right?
I'm 6 years old. And we're taking good care of them. Had them for a long time.
They're going to fly free soon,
and
aren't
they're
they?
going to fly free soon. We're just letting them have a little fly out in the bedroom. Nod, my bird, this one, doesn't want to get off my hand. And I'm trying to make him fly, but he's not getting off my hand quite yet.
He just wants to hang out, hey?
Yeah.
But Wynken, his brother's been flying nicely. He's just having a bit of a break. And their brother Blynken has already flown free.
There used to be 3, but now there's 2. And we'd like to just put this on Facebook for all of you to see it.
And we thank you guys for keeping up with how they've been doing. Wynken, Blynken and Nod on all the pictures we've posted. And soon, these 2 will also be free, just like Blynken. I think Wynken will be ready today, but we may wait another day or 2 until Nod is ready, just so they can be together. But Wynken is flying really well. See if he'll have a bit of a fly.
Come on, Wynken. You can do it. Woo! Ooh.
See, Wynken is flying really well. Nod, not quite ready for flying yet. He's kind of learning. He's in his first stages. He just flies down and lands. He's not flying up yet. So another day or 2 and he should be more ready. We don't want to let him go until he's very ready. But thanks for keeping up with him, guys. We really appreciate it. Come on, Nod.
Come on, Nod. Come see your brother. Good boy. Good boy. Woo! I didn't see that coming.
I'll show you. Try to land on my camera. Let me hold Nod up a bit, see if she will have a bit of a fly. Now.
Oh, Mommy. Mommy.
Hold on. Oh, did you have a poo?
Yeah.
That's okay, we'll clean it.
Whoa.
Oh, come on, Nod. Come on, Nod, you can do it. Come on, Nod.
I'm just
Come on, Nod.
wash my hand off, please.
No, just wait. Don't open the door just yet. We must put them in a cage before we open the door.
Wash this and wipe it with
Perfect.
Yeah.
There's Wynken there beside of you. Come, Nod. His wings are getting stronger. He's just not quite ready for takeoff. Aren't they gorgeous? Aren't they gorgeous?